In this video, we're going to review blade change for the slice box cutters, both the 10400 manual and the 10503 auto retract. We receive a lot of questions about the difference between manual retract and auto retract. So now I'm going to show you the difference between those two. The 10400 is a manual retractable button, meaning the blade remains out as long as the slider button is executed. You have to manually move the blade back into the closed position or manually put it into the exposed position. That is the manual retract. Conversely, the auto retract will automatically retract the blade when you let go of the slider button. And this is a safety feature. That way the blade isn't exposed when you reach into your toolbox. But some people do prefer the manual retract, although our industrial customers almost always require the use of an auto retract in their facility, as it's much safer because the blade is never exposed when you're not using the product. We suggest using the auto retract whenever possible. Both the 10400 manual retract and the 10503 auto retract are, by default, ambidextrous, so you don't have to worry about left-handed configuration or right-handed configuration. They're ambidextrous by design. But you do have to worry about changing the blade at some point, so let's take a look at that. To change the blade on the 10503 auto retract, simply depress the button on the blade door here and push it away from you to expose the blade. You'll have to extend the slider button and remove the blade. You can just turn it to the other side to get more blade life or insert a new blade. You also have the option of using our 10408 pointed tip blade in this product. Simply insert the blade, slide it back, and put the blade door back on. You'll hear it click. And there you go, you're back in business. Remember, the auto retract, when you let go of the slider button, the blade, by default as a safety feature, goes back into the housing. To change the blade in the 10400 manual box cutter, it's the same exact process as the 10503 auto retract, except you need to first make sure your blade is retracted back into the handle before you begin the blade change. Flip it to this side where you see the little button on the blade door and push it away from you to expose the blade. To change the blade, push the slider out and take the blade and flip it to the other side, or you can conversely use the pointed tip 10408 as an option. All of our handles ship with the rounded tip blades for safety, but we do offer pointed tip blades for all of our handles. In this case, I'll take the 10408 pointed tip, put it into the handle, pull the slider back, and put the blade door right back on. You'll hear it snap, and you're back in business. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of our latest videos.